Police arrested Mee, her boyfriend Lamont Newton, and friend Laryn Rayford within hours. In jail, Mee made a recorded phone call to her mother, admitting she set everything up. This recording became a key piece of evidence for the prosecution. A jury found her guilty of first-degree murder under Florida's felony murder law, which allows accomplices in a fatal crime to be punished as severely as the individual who pulled the trigger. When the judge read her sentence, life in prison without parole, Mee stood silent as the reality set in. Her co-defendants also received life sentences.